Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna show you my squishy collection, and so yeah, here is where I store my squishies. Here. So let's get started. First one is this mini YouTube play button. So next one is this grape marshmallow. Here's the tag. So next one is this Barbie treats. So next I've got this mini shortcake. And I've got this peel squishy. And I've got this Hello Kitty fashions. And it's super defected. And I've got this Pocky Sticks. And I got this Japanese food, cream bun and ramen soup. And here's the tag. And I've got the mochi. And I've got this eclair squishy. And I've got this Happy Biscuit star. And I've got 3 of them. And thank you guys for watching. And be sure to like and share. And bye guys.